Yo, welcome. I'm JOHNNYSAMOA and I'm going to show you a beautiful, most powerful magic trick, right? I'm going to show you and I'm going to teach you how to do it.
This is JOHNNYSAMOA.
Yo, my friend, if you just discovered JOHNNYSAMOA, today is your lucky day because you are going to learn the most powerful magic trick somebody can learn, right? Let's get into it. Now let me show you exactly how I would do the magic, right? Now imagine I'm doing it to you. Yeah, hey, how you doing, right? Look, I got nothing planned. I'm just gonna make this up as I go along, alright? Yeah, how you doing, alright? Now please say stop as I triple the card. Lock that card in your head. Don't let me see it, only you remember. We're going to spread the cards from left to right. Now here's the thing. If you see your card, say stop, what? You're not seeing it, huh? No? Don't worry, I've got it. Check this out. I'm going to use my magic power to find your card. You didn't see it, right? Did you? Watch this. It's gonna go right down. Right here. Now let me show you again, my friend, alright? Don't worry, you are going to learn this magic, my friend. Now say stop again. Now lock that card in your head and don't let me see it. Now the easiest part is spreading the cards from the left to right. Watch, you see it, say stop. No. No. I got it, my friend. I'm gonna use my magic power. You didn't feel it, right? You didn't feel it? You didn't see the card is in my hat. Right now, I'm sitting, I'm relaxed. My hands are in the middle of the table. When I tell you to say stop, stop, I put my hand up in eye level and I push the top card over with my thumb. Just like that. Right there, eye level. Now as I'm bringing my hand down, I'm bringing it towards the edge of the table. Alright? Lock that card in your head. I'm bringing it towards the edge of the table, and I'm gonna put the right hand back on top. That motion there creates it was very heavy. That forces my hand to touch the table. Now in that split second, you drop this card, right? No. Lock that card in your head, you bring it to the back. Now the card is already gone, right? Now I always say I'm gonna spread the cards from left to right. Why I'm doing that? To show that, hey, there's nothing in my right hand, man. Now right here now, I'm just playing with whoever I'm doing the trick to. Like, if you see your card, say stop. You're just doing this, basically you're doing nothing, you're just having fun, right? It's all about having fun. For me, my style is about having fun. Ooh, you didn't see it, right? Right now, the card is on my lap, right? Now you can make your own walla 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 pff, what magic style you say, but I usually say I'm gonna do some magic. I'm gonna make like the card's gonna rise and I say, I'll tell you what, alright? I'm gonna hit the cards and your card will go through the table. Now, it's on my lap at the moment. When I'm leaning in, I'm grabbing it now. Alright? And I come out. Voila! Alright, there will be a surprise. Now, if I want the card to be in my hat, lock that in and don't forget it. Your hand is in the middle of the table. You bring your hand back so it's at the edge of the table and you throw the other one. Oh my god, it's heavy kind of thing. Right now it's on your lap. You say you're gonna spread the cards from left to right. I mean, it's up to you. You can do whatever you want to do, but I just want to say that so I can show both hands are empty. I play a game with them. Alright, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. Now this is the good time. If you want the card to be in your pocket or in a wallet or in a bottle, it doesn't matter where you want it to be. This is the perfect time because all you gotta do is give it to them. Hey, shuffle, while you just relax and watch them. Now you can even play the guitar and say, shuffle as much as you like, I don't care. You know what I mean, kind of thing. Anyway, the card at the moment is on your lap. When you get it back from them, you do some magic. And right now, I'm showing my hands. Drop it down. Drop it down. Say something like you didn't see it. I'm palming the card in my left hand and I say you didn't see it. I'm pointing it to you while palming the card. You didn't see it. The card is in my hand. Bringing the hand like this and then reach in and just drop the card there and pretend it was always in there. Right? It's in my lap. Wait a minute. You didn't see it. The card is in the hat. And they will go, holy smoky, man, that is a one awesome trick. Comment below and tell me what you think. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I'm coming back to show you some more magic tricks. Please smash that like button so more people can watch this video, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Peace and do something. Come on, come on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because JOHNNYSAMOA is back and I'm here to show you some amazing magic